Guys, today we are going to open this mail I got from Kikoiloo again. Let's see what it is. 3, 2, 1. Yes! Another one! Yes! She's just an awesome person. Woohoo! Thank you. You're getting a pink one. Wait, no, you're getting wait, oh my god, my sister's screaming in the background. Wait. Okay, she's not gonna get anything, but she's gonna get thanks so much for the glove. I hope you give me another ones. And I'll give her a small dangler gift. No. Shush. Right here. I know that's not really the great. Can't. Oh my god, my mom. Sorry. I got a glove that's, same color as my name tag, so that's pretty awesome. So, bye, peeps. See you next time.